Rub the rim of an old-fashioned glass with a slice of lime. Then dip the rim in a combination of chili powder and sugar. Fill the glass with ice cubes. Now pour in 1.5 ounces of watermelon vodka, 2 ounces of fresh squeezed watermelon juice, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, 2 dashes of hot sauce, and a pinch of sea salt. Drop in several assorted slices of chili peppers. Stir the cocktail with a bar spoon to chill, and garnish with a lime twist. You're now ready to enjoy the chili watermelon cocktail, brought to you by MartiniDiva.com. Cheers, my dears.